Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of ExcelR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We've also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a light classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. ExcelR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with ExcelR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if ExcelR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
Hello, good morning. Sorry, good evening, guys. I hope so that I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, who's responding? I can't see. Is it Sushmita responding?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's myself.
Hi, Sushmita. Okay, thank you so much for responding. Okay, so guys, any doubts from the yesterday's session? I'll just open the folder. So yesterday we started like discussing many things. So let me just open that. Okay, so this is what we started. So first we started understanding about what is this full stack development, as this is the sessions that we are going ahead. Okay, first we understood what is this front end, back end, what is an application, what are the different kinds of applications also we went on with. And then later we started exploring that the front end is the concept of 3 things, that is user experience, user interface, and then user interaction. And we also understood some scripted programming languages and then programming languages in it. And then we understood what is a language, what is a program and all. And after that, we started designing a project for a front end that was Amazon application. Correct. So, anybody have doubt till wherever that we have designed? We just open the Amazon website meanwhile. Okay. So I hope so that this is what we designed. So how did we start designing it? So basically we segregated, right? So first, as soon as you see the project, first understand what is the layout of it. So build the layout, and according to the layout, we started editing each one in depth. Okay. So let's see why it's not opening. Just give me a minute. Okay. So this is what we designed, right? And I see this is basically called as Carousel. Okay, so I think we were doing this in the last session. So let me just open the Visual Studio Code, which is here. So you can see this is right here. Okay, so let me just run this, guys. Can you see this is what it was looking like? Okay, so now let's start editing it. Okay, let me just go back. Okay, and we have to go and then edit in what header. Okay, so before editing to the header, I will just do this. 1 second. So I will just give header. Okay, I'll just give here header. Okay, and UL. Here I will just give something like okay. So first, okay, I will just give something called as a display flex. Okay, before giving the display flex, don't you think so that I have to give for header? Okay, I have to give for header UL and then LI. I have to give a list style as what none. Correct. I have to give what list style as what none. Let me just see. First, we are able to see. See, it's like list style is also none, and you can see that everything has come in one line. Correct. And now you can just go here and then you can just give something called as justify content, and then you can go with space around. Okay, if you just see now everything is like come to the position, and you can see that there is a lot of space here. So either you can just go here up and then you can reduce this. Okay, you can reduce this to 70. So let's just see. So I think everything is coming up now. Okay, and what I'll do is I'm just going to give margin. Okay, I'm just going to give margin and then padding. Okay, so I will give here I'll give margin. Okay, I will just give margin right around 20 pixel. Okay, we will just see. Okay, so I think it started moving that side. I'll make it to 10. Okay, still not getting what side it is moving. I'll just give 0. Okay, 0 or 3. Okay, it is not right. I want it actually to move up. Okay, I want it to move up. I will just give margin. Okay, I'll just give margin bottom and then I will give 0 pixel. You'll see this. Okay, it's not moving. Okay, I'll just give margin top 0 pixel. Okay, yeah. Now can you see it started moving a bit higher, and I'm just going to give the border. So for which we have to give the border, basically I'm just going to copy this. Okay, come down. And then I'm just going to give header UL LI, and then I'll just give what over. Okay, so after giving the hover, I will just give like what it should come. Border is basically 1 pixel, and then I'll just give what white, and then I want it in the form of what solid. Okay, after this, we have to give this, see, margin, padding, everything I have to give. I think I have given this already. Okay, so 1 second. So width, height, I have to give what border. Okay, I'll just copy this. Okay, border and then the color and then white. Just copy this. Okay, and then place it over here. Okay, and then place it over here. See, can you see? I think I have given something wrong here. 1 second. 1 pixel it is coming. Okay, I think I have to give width and height. I'll just give the width and then I'll just give the height. Okay, now let's just see. Can you see? Yeah, but I think the distance between these two is too much, isn't it? So in order to reduce the distance between those two, what we have to do is, according to me, it is rows only we have to decrease. Just a second, I'll just see. Okay, it is not. I'll just keep the two screens side by side. Okay, don't you think so? I have to reduce height is also proper. Okay, it is here. Okay, width. I'll make it around 10 pixel, or I'll just do, okay. I'll just do this, okay. And wait, I'll do this. What I'll do is I'll give margin bottom. Okay, I'll just give margin bottom. I'll give around 10 pixel. We'll just see whether this can move. Yes, this is moving. No, right? Why I'm getting that lot of space? Should I decrease the? Okay, I'll make it 50. Now we'll see. Yeah, can you see? So it started moving up. I'll make it this 50 to around 40 or something. Yeah, I think it is too much. I will just make it as 43. Okay, I'll just make it as 43. Now can I see? Yeah, we have got the perfect thing. And if you just place it, see, we are getting it perfect one. Okay, I feel like justify content, I will change space around to something else. Okay, this is for that. Okay, I will make it as the space between. Okay, and then we'll give a content space. Okay, let's just give line around 2 pixels. We'll just see if we can give. Yes, can you see this? We have got the exact one. And I will make the text align center. We'll just see. Okay, I'll just give it for the header. I will just tell you guys what and all I did. Okay, I will just give text align what center. Okay, I'll give text align what center. Let me just go back. Okay, it's not happening with the text align center. That's fine. Okay, what I'll do, I'm just going to create another folder here, and then I'm going to make it as class 2. Okay, and here I'm going to make it as class2.txt. Okay, so what I did means I'm basically dealing with the header, and then I'm going to paste the complete code of the header here. Okay, complete code of what header here. Let me just copy like what and all I did. So this is one thing. Okay, so where did I paste? That's basically I placed inside the style. Okay, I placed inside the style. So this is for the header. Okay, and let me just come back here. After this, I copied all these things. Okay, let me just copy this, and then let me just go back, and then I have pasted all this. Okay, and coming to the body. Okay, coming to the body, I have done this much. Okay, coming to the body, what I have done, let me just go to the body. So inside the body, this is the header that I have placed. Let me just copy this. Okay, this much only the header. Okay, copy this, get back, and then place it. Okay, so anybody have doubt till here? See, we started getting, but I want that text to move it down. So what I can do is I'll give margin top. Okay, I'll give margin top. I'll give around 5. We'll just see 5. Yes, I think it's moving down. Okay, I will make it around 15. Okay, I'll just make it around 15. I think it became too much. I'll just give around 13. Okay, if I give around 13, can you see? Okay, I think I can make it 12 or 11. Okay, 11 would be like exactly. Yes, can you see guys? And if I just make it, see, we are going to have this. And don't you think so? I have to make the font style and then font size also to be changed. I'll just copy this. Okay, I will paste the font style and then I'm going to change. So here I have given the font size, and then if you want, you can go with the font weight also. Or yeah, so I'll just paste this. Okay, let me just see now. Can you see this? This is how it is. So if you want, you can just see this. Anybody have doubt with this? Though I know that we have like too much of big, and you can see that there is no space between these two. So we will also reduce the space. Can you see there is no space between these two? And this is some kind of blue, and this is some kind of blue. And you can see that both are of same blue, and there is no space. So I will not give the space here. I will remove that also. Okay, let me just go back here, and then instead of making it what? Instead of making it 43, I will make it as 40. Okay, this is black. Okay, and I'll go with the darker shade of this. Okay, let me just copy this, and then I will go with the. Okay, so I'll just go with a little darker shade of this. Darker shade of this. Okay, see, just take this. We'll see the colors. Blue. Okay. Uh, okay, I want this color basically. This one makes sense. Just go back. I want to see what color. Is the same color? Yeah, it's the same color. Okay, and it's bit of dark. Bit of dark. Can you see here? We are getting the colors. Okay, let me just see. Okay, it's of the same color again. I don't know whether I can get it the perfect shade or not. Okay, light shade, same black. Okay. Can you guys give me the color name if possible? Okay, I think I'll 2331 3F. Is that 2331 3F? Okay. Okay, I got some message. Ma'am, we can inspect and copy the color code. Okay, but I think so the source code will be like blocked. If it is available, definitely we'll do that. Yes. Thank you so much for a very good idea. Okay, so where is it? Let me see first. Okay, I think it will be style. Okay, you can see here. What's the left side now? So I'm checking the left correct. 1 second, I'm just checking. I'm sorry, it says yes. Okay, okay, just see this, yes. Sorry, right side. Which side? This side you will be able to see. Okay, I'll just go with another color. Is that is fine? I'll go with a different shade. Okay. Though it doesn't look like that, I'll try to make it look more similar to this. I'll go with, wait, here only I will change the color to, it was 13, right? I'll see, I think I can go with this. Okay, background color. Wait. Okay, so I'll go with this color. Okay, now let's just see. Let's just see. Yeah, I think this color should come up and this color should come down. Correct. So I'll just do this. I'll just take this one background color. I'll just copy this and then put it over here. Okay. And I'll just cut this. Okay, I'll just cut this and then I will put it over here. I think we got the color. Right? If you just go back, see, we have got the color. Correct. Though the size is too big, but that's okay. Okay, but that's okay. We will try to figure it out. I think the width and then height has been increased too much. So we can reduce that, I feel. Okay, so I think my main width has been increased, I feel. So I'll just make it around 500. Okay, width, I'll make it around 500. Yeah, I think now it is, no, some width is like increased, where and which, okay, if this is not, okay, I will make this width only to 500. Okay, this width, I will make it as well 500. Okay, okay, so not this, somewhere my width has increased. Okay, I will do this later. I think this is fine, right? So you have the doubt here. Everybody got like how to do? Okay. So now we are going to paste with the code like whatever that we have edited. Anything that I edited, I'll just go back and then I'm going to change it. Okay, that I edited. Okay. Okay. So next, let me just come back here. Just see the Amazon in, and then the next layer is we have something like this. Correct? We have something like this, where if you just click on women, so we are getting again a drop down. Okay, so so we have to get a drop down. So for men, kids, so I'll not go with the drop down, but we will just go with the look. Okay, so we have another lane. I think this is not the main, this one is the main, right? So now can you see this is basically called as carousel, guys. Okay, and it is a bootstrap. So I will just go and then I will just copy the bootstrap one first. Okay, I will just copy the bootstrap one. For what I should copy the bootstrap, I will tell you. Okay. Anybody have doubt? Can you just tell me that first? See, I have put the complete code for the header. Okay. Anybody have doubt till here? Anybody have doubt? Okay. You guys, can you finish? Can you guys finish this first? One quick yes or no message in the chat, please. Can you guys finish it, ma'am? For icons, yeah. I'll give you 5 to 10 minutes of time. Okay, you guys can start it. I'll just minimize it so that you can see the picture. Okay, I will not. Okay, I will decrease this. Okay, can you just finish this? Yeah, and then we will go ahead with the next one. I will give you like 5 minutes time or 8 minutes. I'll give you. So by 7:25, I will start the next row. Okay, carousel effect. We will add it on. Okay. You ask me, okay, why I'm writing text files? I'm just executing the code. See, if I just share this complete file, no, sometimes we will understand, sometimes we won't. So that is the reason I just made this. Okay. I think we are almost done. Okay, I made one change. What it is, if you guys ask, can you see actually now I don't have the scrollers, so I just divided. How did I give 25%? I think everyone will be having that doubt, correct? See here, if you just see here, okay, if you just see here, can you see I've just given something called as 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. So what is that 25% means? See, basically, I'll take one epic pen, just a second. Okay, so see here, can you see this? So basically, we consider this complete line. Okay, this complete line we will consider as 100. Okay, when you divide this into 4 columns, basically we are going to do 100 divided by 4. 100 divided by 4 is nothing but 25%. So that's what I have given here. Okay, if you just see here, that's what I have given. Can you see 25, 25? And if you doesn't want this scroller, this one also we can reduce. We can make it around 50. Okay, we can make it around 50 and then 50. Okay, we can make it around 50 and then 50. Now, can you see the scroller has been reduced? Okay, I need this much. Okay, now into this main section, I'm going to add this carousel effect. Can you see? I'm going to add this carousel effect. Okay, I'll try to save this picture. We will see like if it is going to save it in the manner that we want, then it is really good. If not, then we will find that regular pictures. Then I will show you like how to add. Okay. Hope so. Everybody is getting right. I'll just save it here. Okay. I will give image 1. Okay. Image 1. Okay. And I just want to check it once. If it is there, then it's well and good. Yeah, it's there. Okay. Again, just click on the scroller. Again, this image also I want. Okay. Save the image as same place, and then I'm going to make it as what, image 2. Okay, and let me just go here, and then I'm just going to make it as what, save the image. Okay, and then I'm just going to make it as what, image 3. Okay, and here we have another image. So let me just see this image as what, image 4. Okay, image 4 here. Okay, I think that's all right. So yeah, this one also we have. So just to see this image, and then I will make it as what, image 5. I think I'll go with this 5 images. I think that will be fine. Okay. Now go to this bootstrap. Okay. So I don't know like how many of you know the bootstrap or not. In order to add that carousel effect, you have to copy this link. Okay. And then go back to our Amazon one. Okay. And inside the style, we have to place this. Okay. Inside this. Okay. Sorry, sir. Not inside the style, like inside the head, we have to paste that. Okay. After this, we have to come to the script and then we have to put it inside the body. But at the end of the body, we usually prefer. Okay. Some people say that sometimes it works and sometimes it won't work. That is the reason. Okay. Now I think you can just see. Okay. I think you can see that my bootstrap has created some changes to this. Correct. So I think I have to move this a bit. Okay, I have to move this a bit. What I'll do is I'll just go to this. Okay, I'll just go to nav. 1 second. Nav. Okay, I'll just go to with nav UL, and then I will give padding right around 13 pixel. Now let me just see. I think it is moving towards that. I will give padding margin left. Okay, I'll just give margin left to 13 pixel. Okay, now I think it is proper because Amazon was going on that side. Okay, so that is the reason I just made it. I think I should move that entire box or I have to increase this box. Okay, 1 second. Something is wrong in my head. I think I should increase the width to 760 and then I will increase it to 760. Now let me just say yes. I think now it is fine. Okay. Now let me just go to the bootstrap and then here we have something called as carousel. Let me just go to the docs and then let me just see what carousel. Okay, see, can you see here? Carousel. So just copy there. I mean, just go here. Here you'll be able to see. Can you see? 1, 2, 2, 3, and then we have we have only 3 slides here. You can just see for if you have 5 slides, 1, 2, 3, only 3 is there. Like if you want, we can add it also. We'll just see here. I just want an image. Probably I'll go with the first one. So what you have to do is just copy this. Okay, just copy this, come back. So now we are dealing with what? We are dealing with main basically. Okay, so I'll just go to this main. Okay, I'll just go to this main. Okay, and then I'm going to paste this. Okay, now let's just see like how does this look in our output. Can you see? See, we have just got this, correct? But as we have not added any images yet, so we are not getting it. So now what I'll do, I will start adding the images. Just see here, we will be having one image, button is there. Okay, can you see this image? So source I have to add. I'll just go here and then I'm just going to give image 1. Okay, and here I will just come and then I'm just going to give what? Image 2. Okay, and I'll just come here and then I'm just going to give image 3. Okay, like this. If you really need another 2, I will show you. Can you see, guys? Can you see this? It has been added. We can decrease the size. It's not an issue. Though there are only 3, you can just copy this and then we have another 2 more, 1 and then 2. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll just make this one as a 4 and then I'll just make this one as what? 5. Okay, so now if I just go back here, can you see we are going to get 5 images. Okay, can you see we are going to get all the 5 images. I just want to see the spacing, you can see this is a 1, right? There is no space again. So I have to just go back here. Okay, just go back here and I have to decrease the space of this. I will just make it around 40 pixel. Okay, I'm just going to make it around 40 pixel. Now, if I just go back, can you see it is like attached, but I want to decrease the width and then height. We can do that. Okay, just go to this main part. Okay, and here I'm just going to specify the width and then height. We can just keep the width around 760 pixel itself. Okay, and height you can increase. Height you can give around 50 pixel. First we'll see with the 50 pixel. Suppose if it is working, then we will see. Can you see? It's like gone somewhere at the top. Something is wrong with my height. 1 second. Okay, something is wrong over here only. 1 second. Okay, it is going and sitting at the top. I think I have to give padding and all those things. That's when it is going to work. Okay, okay, or else I'll do something. Wait, here only we will have the, what is that? 1 second. This is 40. Okay, this is 40. I'll just make. And if I just come back here, can you see? This is how it is. Okay, now I will just decrease the size of this. How can I decrease this? Means just go back here. Okay, in this only we will be having. Okay, carousel. Here only we should be having the width and height. Can you see the width? Can you see the width here? It's given 100. First we have to check the values of width, what we can give it. Okay, I will give around 75. I will give around width. I want it 100, but I want height. Okay, I want height. We'll just specify height, something like this. We'll give around 50 pixel. I just want to check this whether it works or not. I don't know whether it is working or not. We'll just put it for everything and then we shall check it. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, this one, and then what? This one. Okay. So now if I just go back, yeah, it is working. So I'll just make it around 250. Okay, I'll just make around what? 250. I think 250 would be great. If not, we will change it. Okay, we will just see now. Okay, we'll just see now. I think this height is fine. Or you want me to reduce bit more? I think we have to reduce bit more, right? We have to reduce bit more. How do we bit more? I'll just make it around 200. Okay, 200 or I'll go with 180. Okay, I'll just make it 180. Okay, 180 and 180 and then what? 180 and then what? 180. Okay, and then I'll just go back here. Okay, if I just go back here, see. Yeah, this is perfect, right, guys? Anybody have doubt? See how nicely it is looking, right? Guys, say something. It's nice, right? If you want, you can decrease the size of it, but that's okay. Let that be a bit elegant. Okay, I think, yeah. Anybody have doubt with this? I think I should increase the width of it. I'll just make it, okay, so this is the height. 1 second. I think this is fine. Anybody have doubt with this? Now I'll go to the text file. Okay, we have a text file inside this. Okay, so this is for what header? Now I'm just going to show for this is for a header. I'm just going to show for the main code. Okay, whatever we did, I'm just going to write it here. Okay, you have to add the link. I'll just copy that. Okay, so this is basically inside the head. Whatever I had it inside the head, I'm just going to add it. Okay, and I'm just going to add whatever I did for the body. Okay, and then I'm just going to add whatever I added for the body. So let me just go back here. Okay, and I'll just copy that. Okay, so this is what I have done, right? First, I gave the link a copy. I'll just copy this and then I will put it over here. Okay, after this, I'm just going to get back here. Okay, and it is for main. I have not changed anything for the main. Okay, so because there was nothing to be added much here. Okay, but in body, we have a lot of things. So let me just go back here. And for the body, we did this change. So this much is the body name. Okay, I'll just copy this, get back here, and then put it. So now I'll give you again 5 minutes time. Can you guys do this? Guys are there, right? I'm not sharing the screen. Okay, can you see, guys? See now? Okay, can you see now? It's been added. Now I will give you 5 minutes time. Okay, yeah, Jyoti, thank you so much for seeing it. Okay, can you just do this? I'll give you five to 10 minutes time. Okay, because any which was it's copy paste, right? I just showed you guys like how to do. By 46, I'll start the next layer to do. Okay, come on, guys, do this first. 3 minute screen. I'm sorry. Actually, I didn't do anything. I just added the height and then I was pasting. That's all. Okay, see, I have added here. I want you guys to do this. Okay, sorry. Guys, done? Shall I go ahead with the next one? Done? Anybody still doing? You can just let me know. If not, I will just move ahead. Please say something. Hello. Somebody please respond. Somebody please respond. Anybody doing or not, please say, guys. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for responding. Okay. So now what? Okay. So now what I'll do? Now what I'll do? We will go with the next part. So what is our next part? You can see that we have images, correct? I'll see if I can save this completely. Okay, save as it is coming. Okay, save as. We'll just see. I don't know like whether like it can save or not. I'll just give something like pick one. Okay, I don't think so. It is we are able to save it. Okay, we'll just go back and then we shall see it. Okay, I think I had given something called as pick one. Let me just refresh. Okay, I don't know where did I save that. Okay, that's fine. So basically, this is a card, guys. Okay, this is a card. But we don't. You want me to go with the cards? So if you want to go with the cards, we can go, or else we can just take an image. Okay, so in one card they have played placed four images. Either you can go with that. So, ma'am, what is that card? Means again, if you just come to the bootstrap, so here we have something called as card. Okay, can you see? So this is basically the card. So, and then we have an image title. So this is also one kind of image. Can you see? Like this, we have lot many, but I don't know. I am not willing to go with the card. I think image cap, image title, image card title. Okay, 1 second. I'll just see what is the best thing that we can get it here. Yeah. If not, then I'll just paste the images and then I will make it into flex. Okay. So if you want, you can just use this kind. See, like this kind of cards you can use. If not, then you can just go find those images here in the Google. Okay, what is it? Let me say some penguin, like refrigerator, oven is all there, right? So we can just okay, I will this image was there to save. Okay, one image is there. Okay, we will just see. Okay, pick one is here. Okay, fine. I'll just go with pick one. Okay. I think that is getting saved, and then I will just save the refrigerator also. Save the image as, and then I will make it as pick two. Okay, and this one as pick three. So save the image as what? Pick three. Okay, and I will just make it as pick two. Save the image as and what it is big for. Okay, and here we have something like this, and then I'm going to save this image also, and then I'll just make it as pick 5. I'll not make this kind of representation. I'll just go with the normal representation. Okay, and this is basically pick 5. This is pick 6. Okay, and I'll go with pick 7. Okay, save the image as what? Pick 7. Okay, and I'll just go with this as pick 8. Okay, pick 8. Okay, so now if I just go back here, I think we have all the picks, right? See, we started having all the picks. Now what I will do is I'll just go here. Okay, we have something called as an aside, correct? So I'll just enter, and then I'm just, if you want, you can just create a div. Did I create any div? No, I think. And then I will take UL, and then how many picks I have? I have 8 picks. So I'll just go with li, okay, and I'll just go with li, okay, and then I'll go with li, okay, and I'll go with li, okay, and then I'll go with li. So how many li's first? Okay, I'll just add one image to it and then I'll start replacing it. Okay, and this is basically pick one dot image. Okay, so now if you just go back here, okay, and if you just see here, can you see? I can see the image. Okay, can you see the image here? I think I should make the things proper. Here, what I will do, I will just go here. Okay, I think I have to increase the size of this. Okay, I think I'll just make it as around 200. Okay, I will just make it as 200. Can you see now? We started getting the image. Correct, like this, I will place 4 images first and then we shall see. Okay, so I'll just go back here. I don't know how many of you are understanding. Is that I'm too quick, guys? Please say something. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, I'll just make it as what? This is P2. Okay, this is P3, and then this is P4. Okay, if I just go back here, see, we started getting it. Okay, we started. Thank you, Divya. Thank you so much for responding. So we started getting 4 images. Go back. Okay, go back and inside this aside, right? Um, hmm, Okay, wait. Okay. So should I make the first 4 images into one div tag and then another 4 images into another div tag? Okay. I'll just go back here. Okay, I'll just go back here. Okay. And here I'll just make it. What is it? Is it aside or something? Okay, I will make some correction in my layout. Okay, I will just remove this section and then I will make it aside of it. Okay, aside and then aside and then aside. Okay, now I'll just remove this section part. I don't want this section part at all. I'll just remove this. Okay, oh, okay. I can add it in the section itself. Okay, what I'll do is I will add one more. Okay, I will just make it as section. Here I will add 4 images. There I will add 4 images. Okay, I think that looks bit elegant, I feel. Let me just see here. I'm not able to see only. Okay, I will just make it 100. Okay, and then I'll make it as 100. Okay, now let's just see. Okay, I'm not able to see the height and my top is also gone, right? Okay, I think I should make the changes back. 1 second. Okay, now let me just say yes. Now we've got the things back. I can see the section here. I don't want section. I want the footer also to come down. Okay, I'll make this one to 100 and then I'll make this one to 100. Okay, if I just go back here, no, my footer is not coming down at all. Okay, so I'll, what I should do by it is not increasing the, okay. Should I? Okay, I think I have missed one more line. That is the reason we are not getting aside, and then section. Okay, I think this is what I have missed according to my sense. Okay, footer is still here, but I want my footer to come down. Okay, fine. I'll just deal with those images first and then I will later deal with it. Okay, so now it is aside. Okay, let me just come down. Aside, okay, and you will. I'll just give something like first I will just give header. Okay, sorry, it is aside, aside UI li. Okay, and then I'll just give a list style. Okay, list style, and then what we will just give what null. Okay, now let's just see. Yeah, it is gone. So now what I'll do, I'm just going to give display flex. Okay, display and flex, and then I'll just give what justify content and give space around. Okay. Okay, and then I'll just give space around. Okay, see now we started getting it correct. And space around is not coming only. If you want, we can give the padding in between. Okay, we will just keep padding around 20 pixel for each. Okay, I think it is consuming too much of space. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just give 2 images or 3 images I'll give. Okay, I'll give 3 images. Let me just cut this. Okay, now we are getting it. I want space around, but the space around is not working. I'll give space between. Okay, if I just go, no, it is not working. Why is it I'm giving in a wrong place or something? Okay, side UI, li in the public. No. I'll just remove this. Okay, it's coming up, but I'm not getting the spaces in between. Okay, ma'am, I think N. What is it? Chidu? What is it? N? I want the space between. We will go to a new line. No, I don't want a new line. I need a space between these images. That's what I'm worried about. Can I give margin? Okay, I'll just give margin right. Just give margin right. Then please provide source code after every class. Sure. I think, okay, yesterday I didn't send it. Okay, I'll try to put it in this session itself. Guys, give me some time. Why I'm not getting space? What is the mistake that I have done? Okay, should I remove the section here and then make it as aside? I'm thinking aside. Okay, and then aside only I will make it. That is the reason is that I'm not able to get the space. I'm feeling it. Let me just see. Okay, aside. Okay. If I just give yes, see now I'm getting the spaces between the images, correct? If you want now, you can go ahead with 4. Okay, now you can go ahead with what? 4. I'll just go back here, okay, and then I'll just copy this and then add it over here. Okay, like this, you can go ahead with four images or something like that. See now, okay, I think again it is getting compressed. I'll just make this one. I'll just remove this. I think this was more elegant. Can you see? Correct. I think this was more elegant. Uh, I'm not sure. Pranali, Kali. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not sure. Okay. Uh, okay. So this is how this can be created. And if you want to add some text to it, we can just add it. So we have something called as the figure caption. Okay, we can just give something called as a figure caption, and then you can give something like machine. If this is machine is like properly placed, okay, machine is coming at the top. Okay, I'll just put it at the bottom. Okay, you'll just see here. Okay, this, okay, I want it at the last, so I'll just cut this and then I will put it here. I think now, yeah, it is coming over here. What I can do for that? Okay, I'll do this. I'll just cut, I'll just put it here. We'll just see. Yeah, it's perfectly coming machine. It's AC machine. I will just make it as what? I'll just make it as AC machine. Okay, after that, what we have? We have refrigerator. Correct. I'll just come here and then I'll just copy this. Okay, and then I will put it here and then I will put it here. Okay, refrigerator. 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 Something. Okay, refrigerator, right? Generator. Generator ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. Refrigerator. Okay, adjust guys. Okay, next we have what? Oh, what is the spelling of refrigerator? Okay, GE. Okay, that's GERUTR. Okay, refrigerator. Again, let me just check. GRUTOR. RATOR. Yes, it's correct. And what else we have? We have something called as oven. So I'll just give it as oven. Okay, OVENS. Okay, ovens. Okay, now what I'll do instead of this, okay, instead of this, whatever I did aside, I'll just remove one more aside, okay, and then here I will make it a section so that I can give another 4. Okay, so that I can give what another 4. I'll just make it a section and then section. Okay, I don't know what it's going. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so now if I just go, yeah, I think section is coming to up. So what I will do, I will just make it as 300 probably. I think that time, okay. This was 200 only proper. Okay, I think this one I should make it as 200. Now let me just give it a try. Yes, my section is like properly placed. Okay, now let me just, we will just go back here. Welcome to notes. Okay, so now within project lecture ka, okay, what is this? I'm not understanding what you guys are talking about. So now what I'll do, I'll just copy paste whatever I have did. Okay, now I'm just going to place whatever is there in the section. I'll just copy this. Okay, I'll just delete this, and then I'm just going to add it over here. Okay, here I'm just going to make it as P4, P5, okay, and then P6. Okay, and if I just go back here, okay, here I have, right, what I have for header section. Yeah, I don't have anything. Where did I leave display flex and all? Okay, it's here. Okay, aside. So I'll just make a copy of this. I'll just make a copy of this, and then I will make it as for section. Okay. So here I will just give it as what? A section UL. Okay, I'll make it as section UL. And here also I'm going to make it as what? A section UL. Okay, section UL and then LI. Now let me just go see. Wow, correct. So I'll just move that footer bit down. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just remove these names and then I will make it accordingly. Okay, for AC machine here, I'm just going to make it as washing machine. So this is what? Washing machine. Washing machine. Okay, after this we have what? We have something called as cleaning and then tires. I'll just give this one as cleaning. Okay, I'll just give this one as cleaning, and then this one I will give it as what? Tires. Okay, TYRES. Okay, TYRES. Okay, tires. Okay, now I'm just going to copy this code and then I will give you around 5 minutes time. I want you guys to give a try on it. Okay, so this is for what? A section and then aside. Okay, so this is for what? Aside and section. Okay, so okay, and I'm just going to give for body. Okay, I'm just going to give for body. Okay, and I'm just going to give for head. Okay, head. Okay, so now what I will do? Okay, now what I will do? I'll just go back to the head section. Where is my data? Okay, so let's copy, right? Copy, paste it over here. Okay, I've already pasted it. Now, link, teaching. Okay, so I'll just copy this. Okay, copy this, get back here, and then paste it. So guys, I'll give you 10 minutes time. Can you finish this so that we can do something else? I mean, footer. Okay, can you guys do this fast? One quick message in the chat, please. Guys, guys are doing right. I'll give you 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes time. Okay. Next, I'll start by 8. Okay, I'll start by 8 fast. Okay, so I think we will go ahead. I think last we have one more thing pending to be added. So we will add what? We will add this footer. Okay, so this footer. I think this footer is already available in like normal Google. We'll just see Amazon footer image. Okay, Amazon footer image. Okay, so let me just take it. Can you see? I think there is no much clarity. We'll just find the right one and then we will add it. Okay. If you guys have, you can just share the link in the chat. I will use that. Okay. If not, then I have to take the picture of it. Snap, basically. I think this is okay. Shall we go ahead with this? Shall we go ahead with this? Okay. I think it's fine. I'll just go with this. Okay. I'll just save this image. Okay. I will save the image and then I will make it into footer. Okay. Footer. It's saved as AVIV file. I'm not sure whether I can see the image or not. Where is it? Footer. Can you see? Yeah. So it's nice also. So now what I'll do, I'll just go to this amazon.html file. Finally, we have reached the final one. Okay. And then I'm just going to remove this. And then here I'm going to add the image directly. And what is that? Basically, it's a footer. Okay, footer I'm going to add. Let me just go back and then let me just find if it is rightly placed. Okay, I think it should come a bit down and then the height should be reduced. Okay, so let me do that. If you want, you can just set it for a width and height right over here. If not, you can just go here. Okay, so here we have right. So I think I'll make it as 50. Okay, we'll just see now. It is still there only. Okay, I'll just do what? I'll do here itself. I'll just give the width and then height. Okay, I will give the width around 720. Yeah? Width I'll give around 760 and then height I'll give around 500. Okay, we'll just see now. Okay, yeah, I think this is fine, but I want it to move down. Okay, I want it to move down. So what can I do for that? I think I can give margin. Okay, I will give margin top. Okay, I will just give margin top around 20 pixel. We will give 50 so that we can find the difference. Okay, yeah. See, guys, we have done with one project. Actually, you can still reduce the difference here. Okay, we will do that. I will make it into 100. If you can make it into 100. If you will just see this, no, I think it is gone too close. And you make it into 150. Okay, just make it 150. Okay, can you see now? Yes. Guys, see here? Can you see? This is the like project that we have done. You can still groom it, but I think this basic one would be fine. So, is anybody have doubt with this? You can just let me know in the chat. Anybody? Anybody found a difficulty anywhere, you can just let me know. Please write it down in the chat as quickly as possible. If you guys are getting any error, not able to understand something, I'm here to help you. Come on, guys, fast. You guys are in the session, right? I can see that there are hundreds in number, but nobody even responds back. So how fair is this? Come on, guys. So this is one project. Okay, what I'll do, I'm just going to zip this folder and then I will send it to you as well as to Sushmita. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can ping or else you can have this folder. Okay, is it fine? Anybody have any doubts, please respond back in the chat. Really, it will be very grateful to me. No? Ma'am, no icons for Amazon. Yeah, you guys chose it, not me. I usually do Flipkart or Amazon, I mean Swiggy. That has very nice images, but you guys chose it and I couldn't say no for it. So we just went on with it. Hope so this front-end project was helpful. I'll just make this one into zip. Just a second. Compress to. Okay, and then zip the file. No, it was not helpful. Huh? You guys are saying no. Okay, and then I will just send this into the chat. Okay, one second. Okay, college streaming. And then what this? Okay, I have sent whatever the notes that I have created, the complete project folder is inside that. Okay, now we will go for a 10 minutes break and then I will start with one backend project. Okay, so everyone be back by 2020, that is 8:20. What is it you can't understand? You don't know HTML? If you can't understand means whatever I did was basic HTML, basic HTML and then CSS. Where are you finding the difficulty? You can just drop down. What is possible from my side, I will help you. Tell me. You can elaborate your message. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So then I will go for a 10 minutes break and then we will get back and then we will start on another project. Okay. Fine. Okay, guys, I'm back after the break. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just open the VSC code. Okay, Visual Studio code. Okay, and then here in the class 2, I'm just going to create a new file for let me just write a.py. Okay, and then I'm going to create another text file. Let me say python.text. Okay, so now I'm going to start a simple project. Okay, for the backend. I think I got some like messages in the chat that didn't get. I would recommend you to go watch a video again. If not, you just take my files and then try it on. Still, if you face any difficulty, you can just ping me in tomorrow's session. Okay. So now what we will do is we are going to do one backend project. What is that backend project? Means see, same program I'm going to show you in a simple way, and same program I'm going to show you using OOPS concept. Like how do you put your project in what words is very, very important. Okay, so using Python, okay, I'm going to show you one project that's basically called as ATM generator. Okay, ATM generator. What is this ATM generator? Not ATM generator, I'll just go with ATM machine. Okay, what exactly ATM machine does, guys? What ATM machine basically does? What ATM machine basically does? Nobody responds. It is really bad. The first one is withdrawal. Thank you so much for responding. Okay, so we have what? We have something called as withdrawal. Okay, and the second one is, let me say, we have something called as a deposit. Correct. After this, we can actually do something called as checking the balance. We can even check the balance. After this, suppose at any part of like whatever we are doing, we can even exit. Correct. We can even exit. So these are the four things like I know that we can do it, but I will add one simple question to this and then I will give it to you. What is that means? Changing the pin. I will be giving it to you guys. Okay. Now we shall go one after the other. Okay. So in order to withdraw the money, there are some conditions. What are that conditions? Whenever you want to withdraw the money, what exactly you have to do this? What exactly you have to do in order to withdraw the money? Swipe the card first. Very nice. You have swiped everything you have done. Okay. Now you have to withdraw the money. So in order to withdraw the money, what you have to do? See, there will be some amount. Okay. Let me say there will be some kind of balance. Correct. There will be some kind of balance. Let me say around 10,000 rupees balance you have. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to withdraw some amount. Withdrawal amount. How much? Let me say around 2,000 rupees. Okay. Always your withdrawal amount should be less than or equal to the balance. Okay, isn't it? It should be greater than zero first. Okay, it should be greater than zero and then it should be less than the balance. So if this condition holds, that's when my balance after the withdrawal, my balance basically decreases. How it decreases? Along with my withdrawal money. So this is like balance minus what? Withdrawal money. So this is first condition. Okay, in order to deposit also, whatever the amount that we are going to deposit, no, it should be greater than zero. Correct. Actually, in our ATM machines and all, we cannot, in ATM machines and all, we cannot deposit 100 rupees also. It should be greater than 500 only. Then only we will be able to deposit or else we cannot deposit. Correct. 1 second. Okay, so after this, let me see. After the deposit, what happens to my balance? Basically, my balance will be increased along with the amount that I'm going to enter. Okay, so it is going to increase with the amount that I'm going to enter. And then finally, you're going to check the balance. So checking the balance is nothing but printing your balance. That's all. Okay, now for this program, I'm going to use just loops and then normal condition concepts. Okay, I'm going to show two ways of solving this. Okay, two ways. Probably one way I'll show today, and then second way I'm going to show tomorrow. First one is using what? Loops and then conditions I will show. Okay, loops and then condition. And then the second one is using the oops concept also. I will be showing the same project. Okay, now what we will do, I will just go to this a.py and then I am going to start. Okay, what is it that I am going to start means? First, always remember, you have to declare your balance. Okay, I will just give my balance around what? 10,000 rupees. Okay, so either it is checking the balance, deposit or withdraw or exit. So this should repeat. So basically I'm going to add it in a while loop and then I'm just going to write while true. Okay, and then I'm just going to print saying that welcome to the ATM shop. I'm just going to write what? I'm just going to say welcome to the ATM shop. Okay, welcome to what? ATM shop. Okay, after this, I'm just going to print. Okay, I'm just going to print. I'm just going to say one dot check balance. Okay, I'm just going to say check balance. Okay, I'm just going to print. Okay, this is two dot what? Deposit. Okay, two dot deposit money. Okay, two dot deposit money. And then I'm just going to print. Okay, I'm just going to say three dot withdrawal money. Okay, three dot withdraw money. Okay, three dot withdraw money. And then I'm just going to say print. Okay, I'm just going to say four dot exit. I can see that you guys are more concerned about attendance sheet than the class. See, there are people who will definitely share at the right time. Please concentrate on the class first. Okay, once you give everything, let me say I'm just going to give the choice. Okay, I'm just going to give your input and then I'm just going to write enter your choice. Okay, I'm just going to write what? Enter your choice. Okay, suppose if your choice is 1. Okay, what is it? If your choice is equals to what? 1. Okay, then I'm just going to enter that whatever the balance it is, it has to print. So I'm just going to say print. Okay, and then F. Okay, so here I'm just going to say your current balance is. Your current balance is. Okay, and I'm just going to give dollar and then I'm just going to give what? Balance. Okay, I'm just going to give what? A balance. After this, I'm just going to write elif. Okay, elif and then the choice. Okay, elif and then choice. That's basically what? 2. Okay, and then here I'm going to use a try and then catch block or try and then except block basically. So what is that? First, the try means suppose like the amount, whatever we are going to enter. So it should take it in the form of what? Float, and then it should take the input. Okay, and then it should enter what? It should enter the amount that has to be deposited. Okay, it should enter to the amount that has to be what? Deposited. Okay, so after this, let me say now I'm going to add my first condition. What is that? If my amount, okay, if my amount is greater than 0, okay, then what I'm going to write? I'm going to enter balance is equals to what? Balance plus my amount. Okay, so balance plus amount. After this, we can just print the balance. Okay, we can just do what? We can just print the balance. I'm just going to write dollar and then amount. Dollar and then amount. And then I'm just going to say deposited. Okay, deposited successfully. So deposited successfully. Okay, so after this, I'm just going to say, let me just print. Okay, and then let me just give dollar and then balance. Okay, let me just enter balance. After this, I'm just going to write else. Okay, and then I'm just going to print saying that it is an invalid deposit. Okay, what is it? Invalid deposit amount. Okay, and then I'm just going to say what? Please try again. Okay, I'm just going to say what? Please try again. Suppose if ever we get any error. Okay, suppose if we get any error. So now I'm just going to write one except. Okay, one except method. And then I'm just going to write value error. Okay, I'm just going to write something like value error. And then I'm just going to print. And then I'm just going to say it as what? Invalid input. Suppose if you give something which is not like required there, so that's when we are going to get, please enter what, a numerical value. You can just have this. Basically, customizing my error. Okay, numerical value. So anybody have doubt till whatever I have written? See, basically, I gave first with an initial balance, and then I'm saying while true is nothing but I'm saying it to repeat it again and again. So I'm saying like, welcome to the ATM shop, and then we are just checking the balance, and then we are depositing the money, and then we are withdrawing the money, or we are exiting. So basically, I'm just giving like 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever you enter the choice, if you just give first choice, basically it is going to check the balance. Okay. If you are going to give 2, so first it is going to ask what is the amount that you need to deposit. Okay. And the amount, whatever you are giving, if it is greater than 0, then the balance will be incremented along with the money that you have to deposit. First, it will print the amount that you are going to print. After that, the main balance it is going to show. Else, suppose if you are giving something like less than 0, if you are just creating something like duplex, you want to just see, so basically it is going to say invalid deposit amount. And if you have given anything in the negative number, it is going to say invalid input. Please enter the numerical value. Is this clear? I just need one quick yes. You guys can ask for an attendance sheet. You can't say yes or no for whatever I'm asking. Huh? Thank you. Thank you so much. Only one in 157 members, one is responding from that time. Seriously, guys, I don't know why you guys are attending the session. And efforts are put from the trainer side. Even some efforts is required from the student side as well, right? I'll give the question after this, then I will see. Okay. So I'm just going to write elif, and then I'm just going to give the choice. So if it is 3, okay, if it is 3, okay, and I'm just going to enter the choice 3. So basically, what is my choice 3? So I think it is withdrawing the money. So again, I'm just going with what? A try and then accept method. So I'm just going to use this try. Okay, here also I have to enter the what amount. Amount is equals to what? Float. Okay, and then what? Input. Okay, float input, and then I'm just going to enter the amount that has to be withdrawn. Amount to what? Withdraw. Okay, and enter the amount to withdraw. Once it is entered, as I told you that we have to check whether the amount whatever I have entered, if it is greater than what? Balance. Okay, if it is greater than the balance. Okay, so if it is, suppose whatever the amount that I have to withdraw, if it is greater, then obviously it is going to say what? It is going to say insufficient funds. Insufficient what? Balance. Okay, elif. Okay, I'm just going to write elif. Okay, amount. Okay, if it is less than or equal to 0. Okay, and then, okay, less than or equal to 0. Okay, less than or equal to 0. Okay, so I will just write invalid withdrawal amount. Okay, print. Okay, and then I'm just going to write what? Invalid withdrawal amount. Okay, withdrawal amount. Okay, so after this, I'm just going to enter what else? Okay, else I'm just going to create that balance is equals to what? My balance is equals to balance minus amount. Okay, so after this, we can just print the like amount, like whatever that we are doing. So I'll just print, I'm just using the formatted string, and then I'm just going to ask a dollar and then the amount. Okay, and then I'm just going to give what? Deposited and successfully. Okay, successfully. Okay, so after this, let me just print what? The balance. Okay, okay. Okay, deposited successfully. After this, I'm just going to print what? I'm just going to print my balance. I'm just going to print what? Balance. Okay. After that, I'm just going to give what? Accept. Okay, I'm just going to give what? Accept, and then we will just give what? A value error. And then here also, I'm just going to print saying that it is an invalid input. Invalid input. Please enter the valid numerical value. Please enter. Okay, enter the valid numerical value. Numerical value. Okay, so after this, we have a lost choice. Okay, so that's else if, okay, choice number what? 4. Okay, if it is equal to 4, okay, I'll just put the 4 inside this. Okay, if it is equals to 4, then we will like basically it is like exit. So we are going to say thank you for using the ATM. Okay, so we're just going to see what? Thank you for using the ATM. Okay, thank you for using the ATM. After this, basically, you have to write click. Okay, so else, you can just write else. Please enter the valid option. Okay, print. We have to write what? Invalid option, invalid choice. Please select the valid option. Okay, we can just write what? Please select a valid option. Okay, please select the valid option. Okay, now let's just run this code and then let's just see. Okay, I'll just take one terminal. Okay, I'll just take one terminal. Okay, and then I'll change the directory to that last loop. Okay, and then I will just run the code. So Python, what is it? A.py is the file. So if you just run this, can you see? It is going to show the options for us. So I will just go choice by choice and then I will show it to you guys. So first one is choice number one. Okay, first one is what? Choice number one. You can just see it is telling that just because I give the space, it is saying that if you just give one. Okay, can you see it is telling that your balance is what? 10,000 rupees. Next, if I just go with the two, so it will ask me that how much is the money that I need to deposit. I will just say around 800 rupees. Okay, can you see the deposit is successful and it is 10,800. Suppose I will go again with the deposit 2 and if I give some negative 800, if I want to deposit minus 800, how is it possible? So it is going to say, see, invalid deposit amount, please try again. Okay. After this, we have the third option that's basically called as withdrawal amount. I'm just going to withdraw 1,800 rupees. So after withdrawing 1,800 rupees, it becomes what? 9,000 rupees. What is that? Why, ma'am? Yes, ma'am, or why, ma'am? It is Amrita. Okay, so after this, if I just try to withdraw something like 20,000 rupees because my account does not have so much of balance, so it says that insufficient balance. Okay, after this, you can just give 4, it is going to exit. Say thank you for using the ATM. Okay, so now I'm just going to add this entire code. Okay, I'm just going to copy this entire code and then I'm going to put it into this Python text. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to put it into this Python text and then I'm just going to leave the out. Okay, I'm just going to put what output. So what is my output? I'll just write it over here. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll give you 20 minutes time. Okay, I'm going to give you a simple assignment which you have to work on it right now. I want you to change or you to add one more option called as changing the pin. Okay, changing the pin it should take. So try this and then show it to me right now in the session. Or else whoever doesn't show, I will tell Sushmita not to give the attendance. Okay, come on guys. Make this and then show it to me. We have still 20 minutes time. I'm giving all 20 minutes. So please add a pin generation for the same program. Okay, one more option. Okay, write a program to generate the same program, add one more choice. Add one more choice. That's basically called as what? Pin. Okay, start guys. Sushmita, are you there? Sushmita, are you there? Sushmita, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Sushmita, I have given some assignment. Please
Okay.
note down the students whoever submits the output in the chat. Please.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you. Just copy the code and then put it in the chat. Suppose if it is like too long, make it into 2 bits and then send it in the chat. Don't make it into file, just send it in the chat, okay? Like this. Like I will send the output, not the code. Yeah, fine. Got it? Okay. I told you to send the code, not me. Okay, I will not send my code. If you want, you can type it. Yeah, understood the code. It's very clear. I will send after you send. Yeah. If you really want, you can type it down. I've given 1 point to be added for this program. Please do that. Fine, guys. I'll leave the session as I've not got answer in the chat. Okay, so I don't know what to do, but thank you so much. I will leave the session. Thank you. Thank you, Sushmita. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Students, I hope you all mark your attendance. So if you missed out to mark the attendance, kindly mark your attendance. So we are done for the day. So I'm winding up in 2 minutes. Before that, kindly mark your attendance.